I'm going to give you guys a pretty good sized board to work with right off the bat. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about this board. Okay, this board has all kinds of bad spots in it.
Oh.
Okay, so how much we're going to get out of it, I don't really know. But see this one edge right here?
That's nice.
Okay.
That's kind of nice.
All right. What we're looking for is a good straight edge to cut off of. Okay, and there's an edge here. Okay. See how rough this one is?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm looking to do is to get a nice straight edge.
And a banana.
That goes down here. Okay. But this one's not quite square, right? So what I'm gonna have to do is square this up on this thing right here. This is called a jointer. This is the most dangerous tool in the shop. Okay, listen up. All you guys listen up. This is the most dangerous tool in the shop. This thing here will eat your fingers in 2 seconds flat. This right here, it's got 3 blades that turn. And if you get your hand down in there, it will eat it up. Okay? And this is probably one of the few tools that I get really squeamish about you guys using. I'm going to show you how this works. It basically planes. See that right there? Watch this again. Okay. Now, on a big piece like this isn't that dangerous because my hands are way up here. Okay, if I was trying to do that with this little guy right here, you see where the danger lays? Okay, anytime you got a small piece that you're joining with this, you need to use these and keep your hands away from that blade. Okay, now this is a perfectly good tool. I've used it extensively. I've never had any close calls. However, this is the tool that causes more damage to people because they're not paying attention. They'll be running a board across it like this, and they'll feed their finger down through there. And the next thing they know, they've trimmed off the end of their finger with this blade going like that. Okay? Or this kicks it out, and their hand goes down in that. Okay? So, all right. Now that I've scared you guys to death about that thing, it's important to respect your stuff. Grab that board over there.
Hey, flip it over.
And
on the other side is like a gigantic knot that.
Yeah. All right. What we're wanting is a straight 90 degree to this. Okay. See how that blade's 90 degrees? Don't see any gap. You want that as close as possible to that shape. Let's have the board. Okay. What we're doing is we're going to go a straight board from here to here, and this needs to be at least this thick. Okay. Anything less, and we're probably not going to be able to use much of it, because after you plane it and it goes through the process, it goes through here. Now, when you're feeding this thing, okay, when you're feeding this thing, all you need to do is move this end of the board and stay on the line right here, okay? See, sometimes, like right now, I got this way off side so that it follows the line, okay? And all I'm doing is cutting right down through the middle of that black line, all the way through there, okay? And sometimes you're going to have to slow down a little bit so that it goes through there. Now, when my hands get over to here, I don't want your hands over any part of this table. So when it gets to that point, you come back here with a stick, and you got it through there with this stick like right here. Okay? All right. Okay. Now you feel the moisture in that? Can you feel how wet that is compared to this side? Feel this side and this side.
They don't feel wet. They just feel the cold is the moisture.
That's right, it is. Okay. Once you've done this, and you got one that's about an inch thick, come over here and stick it right over here, like that, and go and cut another one, okay? Now, when you're over here looking at this one, what you're going to do is look at a straight line, see how good you did, and you got a nice straight line, and you're going to put this board along this edge, and you want to be sure that you don't cut it any less than the thickness of this board, okay? Because if you do, it's not really going to benefit as much, okay? Because we're going to run this through the planer, okay? Go ahead and run that through the thing. Have you guys?
Turn it on.
Okay.
Jared, flip the switch.
On this line. Okay. Right in here in this area here, you're getting too thin. See right here?
Yeah.
So you want to make sure that you stay on the line, okay? Okay, good job. Go ahead and cut another one.